I'm the squadron commander for the 1st Squadron, 18th Cavalry Regiment. Our mission here is to conduct the Jordan Operational Engagement Program, which is a partnership between the United States and the Jordanian Armed Forces for units that are deploying up to the border within the Jordanian Armed Forces. The significance of the Jordanian Operational Engagement Program is it's an opportunity for the U.S. military to partner with Jordanian Armed Forces for units that are tasked with defending the country of Jordan. They come here to the Joint Training Center where we work with them over the course of 10 weeks to improve their skills from individual soldier tasks all the way up through company-level collective tasks, along with a myriad of specialty skills such as mortars, forward observers, medics, and snipers. All of those skills are brought together to help improve the capability that are needed to defend against the hostile threats that are posed along both the Syrian and the Iraqi border against the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. The 10 weeks here at JTC is actually a 3-phase program. The first phase is individual through team level training, which is about 3 to 4 weeks in length. And then based upon their performance, we move into squad and platoon level training for another 3 to 4 weeks, which is our phase 2. And then in phase 3, we bring it all together where we bring back the specialty skills that have been trained during those first 6 to 8 weeks, integrate them into company level exercises where we do a series of scenarios-based exercises, and then we culminate with a company level live fire where they bring all of those assets together in a scenario that replicates what they may face when they redeploy back to the border. The relationship that we developed with the Jordanians was one of actual brotherhood. It started off as just being comrades in arms, but as we worked with them day in and day out, through the hot, through the cold, through the rain, through the dusty days, we actually became to know each other better. Not only did we do individual movement techniques or did we do range exercises with them, but we would also sit and have meals with them. They would even show us a few of their dances and a few of their chants, and so our soldiers actually built a close bond despite the language barrier. Along the way, we've learned a lot about their culture, learned a lot about them, and have built tight relationships and friendships that I think are going to last a lifetime.